Hi, today I want to talk about a typical plaintiff attorney example of someone that didn't know about the opportunity to defer fees using a deferred comp plan and what their frustrations were before then and how we were able to help them. So we'll call this attorney John. I met John several years ago. We've been working with him and his clients on his client settlement planning for several years with structured settlement annuities and special needs trusts, and got talking to him about his own tax planning. And he mentioned that his CPA and other advisors were having him do kind of the typical things, max out his 401k, and things like buying a 179 deductible truck. He had even gotten into some conservation easements and some things that were a little bit out of the ordinary and expensive and kind of hard to understand. But you know, like a typical personal injury attorney, he was frustrated with the limited options that he had for deferring his fees and reducing his income. So when I talked to him, I mentioned, look, there's a better way. Let me come in and sit down and talk to you about it. So he did. And I talked to him about a deferred compensation plan that he can establish with a plan administrator that allows him to defer fees on a case-by-case basis into a deferred compensation plan that grows on a tax-deferred basis. So he's essentially deferring into the deferred comp plan, which is essentially like a supercharged 401k, is the easiest way to think about it. It's not a 401k and it's not a qualified plan, but the tax principles are the same in that you're deferring pre-tax money, it's growing tax deferred, and then you're taxed on that in the years that you receive money back from the plan in the future. And so once he realized how easy it was to set up, how easy it was to administer, and how much of his income he could defer and how much income tax that would save him, he was amazed. And so just a typical example, I know many of you are in that situation where you're earning more than you need to take in every year, and the typical structures that your CPA may have talked to you about aren't really exciting enough or helping defer enough of your income and save as much as you'd like on taxes. Give us a call. We can talk you through the program, see if it's a good fit for you, and we'll go from there.